Hello, good afternoon, everybody. How are you all? I hope that people are fit and fine. I'm also doing great. Now I am here to practice English, and it's been a while that I didn't upload a single video. Now I got free time, and in this video, I will share with you 5 easy habits that if you follow, then I'm sure you will speak English confidently and fluently. I know you want to speak English fluently, but remember, fluency is not about speaking so fast. It's just about speak English clearly. And in my video, I always use simple and easy words so that who are beginner like me, they can understand easily, they can speak English, they can follow, they can apply all the things after watching my video. I always used to do like this way. I always try to speak English like this way, and all the things after following really I am being able to speak English now. Now present time, now I am speaking English in front of you. So there are so many things and there are so many tips, easy tips are available. You should follow and you should every day apply in your day-to-day life. Then you will be able to speak English. So if you are ready, let's get down to start. I have already told you that 5 easy habits. Those are first habit, that is talking to English, talking to yourself in English every day. Talk to yourself. It's most important thing to speak English. Really, I have known it that when I started my journey, that time in my beginning time, I used to speak English with myself every day. Talking to yourself, you can remove your mouth hesitation and also sinus. So you should practice every day. You should practice English to yourself every day, like simple easy sentences. You should practice even 5 minutes, 10 minutes a day. You have to practice English. You have to talk to yourself in English. You have to describe, you have to explain your daily routine, all things, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to speak. You can example, you can say that I am brushing my teeth, then I will cook, then I will take bath, then I will clean. All things you should practice. You should say every day, 5 to 10 minutes every day. You try to speak. Next, that is read loud. Yes, when you speak English, when you learn English, when you read English, that time read loudly. If you read loud, then your mind, your brain, really all things will remember, and when you need that time, your brain will remind you what's the correct word. If you read loudly, don't read in your mind, read loudly and read out every day. By reading loudly, your mouth will improve and your mouth will remove mouth hesitation. So please try to read loudly. Third one, that is listen to English every day. Listening, it's really important things. In my beginning time, I can remember that in my beginning time I used to listen English a lot, and after listening English, I am being able to speak English. As you know, nowadays I can speak English, I can understand English. If you are listening, then you are not applying, that means slow down fluency. You should not do it. You have to listen and you have to remember all things and you have to apply. Then third one, that is learn 5 words every day. 5 to, if you get free time, then whenever you get free time, try to learn new words. You are crazy, if you are crazy about learning English, then you should learn every day 5 to 10 words you have to learn. And if you learn new words, then you can make new sentences easily. So I think learning new words, it's really important thing, important skill to speak English, to make sentences. So you should learn in words, new words every day. And fourth one, that is speaking practice. speaking practice, it's really important things. If you don't have any practice partner, then you can practice English with yourself. You can practice English with your friend, with your family member, with your parents, with your colleagues, everyone, anyone. You can practice English. And if you have mobile phone, then you can use, there are so many applications are available, so you can practice English with AI. So it's nowadays it's become a cakewalk. As far as I know, learning English nowadays it's become a cakewalk. So please try to practice English every day, and by practicing English, by applying all the things in your daily life, I think you will be speak English, and soon, I think soon you will see big changes if you follow, if you apply all the things. If you don't apply, then I'm sure you will never get fluency, you will never speak English fluently and confidently. And I think last one, that is try to speak English. At least you, whatever you are learning, whatever you are reading, whatever you are watching, you try to open your mouth and you try to speak all things. You can start with your simple goals, simple sentences, daily use sentences every day, follow. And hope you will got my points. 5 easy habits you should make it your habit. You should all things you have to follow. Bye bye, see you again. I hope you will follow from now, from today. And take bye bye, take care of yourself.